Here I have the natural Earth populated places shapefile open in ArcGIS Pro. First, I'm going to open the attribute table and quickly explore the fields. I'm scrolling to the right here because I need to find the field that stores the country name. And here it is, a DM0NAME. I'll use select by attributes. So I'll open select by attributes. And in the where clause, I'll choose ADM0NAME. Then I'll set the condition to is equal to. And for the value, I'll choose United States of America. Now I'll validate the query, and to click Apply, then OK. And now, ArcGIS Pro has selected only the populated places where the country is United States of America. I'll right-click the shapefile, go to Data, and choose Export Features. This creates a new shapefile that contains only the selected United States records. So now, I have a clean dataset with only United States populated places. That's the practical workflow. Thank you for watching. Follow Learn GIS on Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn for more practical GIS tutorials.